Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI.
If you work out from home like I do, then you are going to love this pair of dumbbells from ZTTENLLY. This is the 15-pound pair, and it's in this really pretty sky blue color. Some of the features that I love about these is how comfortable they are to grip. It has a nice texture on the handle. I can do a ton of workouts with these weights from deadlifts to squats. I also like the anti-roll hexagon shape, and it also has a PVC wrap on it, so that makes it also a nice feature if you have wood floors, so it's not going to scrape or do any damage to your floors, and I really appreciate that feature. If you are looking to enhance your dumbbells and get some more weights for your home gym, these have been a great addition to my weight collection, and I look forward to working out.
And that's my point of view.